The Department of Health says it's closely monitoring 7 overseas Filipino workers, or OFWs, who came home from Sierra Leone, one of the West African countries with an Ebola outbreak. Health spokesperson Lyndon Lee-Sui says between exposure and the first symptoms, the incubation period is 2 days to 21 days. The department extends its monitoring period to a month. Lee-Sui admits 3 OFWs had fever, one of the symptoms of Ebola, but that they eventually tested negative for the virus. The Ebola virus can be transmitted through body fluids, causing severe fever, muscle pain, weakness, vomiting, and diarrhea. West Africa's nations impose stringent rules to contain the worst outbreak of the virus. The leaders of Guinea, Sierra Leone, Liberia, and Ivory Coast meet Friday with World Health Organization head Margaret Chan to launch a $100 million joint plan to stop the epidemic. The plan outlines the need to increase preparedness systems in neighboring nations and strengthen global capacities. The plan also calls for several hundred more people to be deployed to affected countries and assist treatment facilities. On Thursday, the WHO raised the death toll to 729.